Passenger side, it is solid. It is literally just a few little bits of surface, as we first thought when we looked at the sides, that the driver's side was going to be the worst. So this one should be a lot easier than the other side to grind back, get it sorted. So it's not too terrible under here. It's all quite solid still, so it's just surface stuff. A bit round the jacking points. The rest of the seal's pretty good, just a bit of a clean up here again. It's all still quite solid, so we should be good if we grind that back to bare metal and treat it. Hopefully we won't need to do any welding. Just when we thought that we wouldn't have to do any welding, looked a bit sort of exploded and out of shape, so I peeled off all the undersill and there's a hole. Just goes to show you don't know what is underneath all the undersill. So instead of using these plastic covers now, we've got some new stuff in. There we go. This one's a lot harder wearing, stronger, not going to split on you. It goes right down the back of the seat, right down the front of the seat. Better steering wheel cover, and of course we got these lovely little socks here.